Solutioneering a world that works for everyone. One Community Weekly Progress Update, number 606.
One Community is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We are creating open source and free shared blueprints and resources, tools and tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for highest good living. Creating solution models that create additional solution creating models in the service of all life on this planet. This includes highest good approaches to food, energy, housing, education, for-profit and nonprofit business creation, society, and stewardship.
Welcome back, beautiful people, to another episode of our Weekly Progress Update. This is the October 28th, 2024 edition of our Weekly Progress Update. And today I want to talk about solutioneering a world that works for everyone. And I want to talk about solutioneering a world that works for everyone because I think most people would agree right now that the world is not working well for everyone. And some might even argue that it's not working well for most people. We have challenges in the foundations of living that range from food, energy, and housing insecurity and problems, lack of infrastructure, to emotional and social and recreational challenges, to education quality, major issues with sustainability and stewardship. And this is all happening while we have the ability to solve these things. So here we have all these challenges where we're spraying poison on our food and we're having issues with fresh food, high quality food, lack of housing infrastructure, lack of energy infrastructure in a lot of places in the world, lack of quality education, people not having enough time to do the things that they want to do or the resources to be able to do the things that they want to do, all while the resources globally exist to address this challenge, and we're not. And so One Community is solutioneering a world that works for everyone by creating the foundations for radical sustainability, covering the physical foundations of sustainability, which are food, energy, and housing. Everybody's familiar with that. And combining that with the emotional foundations of sustainability, which we've identified and call highest good approaches to fulfilled living, education, economics, and stewardship. And we're putting all this together to create teacher demonstration hubs that demonstrate and evolve everything that you see happening in the background of this video as a path for solutioneering a world that works for everyone. Teacher demonstration hubs designed to be built around the world as replicable models for teaching people how to create radical sustainability in their lives and for their friends and their family, and to create more and more open source tools, resources, tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for all aspects of what we call highest good living. Radical sustainability in each one of these different areas, designed to teach other people how to create radical sustainability or whatever level of sustainability you're interested in, because it's all designed to be modular. But the most complete example of what we're creating is the One Community prototype, designed to be replicated as a teacher demonstration hub itself. A teacher demonstration hub capable of generating enough revenue to continue to expand, to build everything you see on this website, to help and support other organizations around the world in replicating our models, creating other teacher demonstration hubs, interested in solutioneering a world that works for everyone, and then working in cooperation and collaboration with these organizations around the world to create even more open source tools, tutorials, resources, and do-it-yourself instructions and plans for all of what you see, and super improved energy, food, housing systems, fulfilled living systems, education models, economic models like resource-based economies, and stewardship models that can be implemented everywhere. Building this as a powerful engine for change, solutioning a world that works for everyone through cooperation and collaboration, and showing what's really possible when people come together and they build solutions instead of just band-aids. As a species, we have thrown immeasurable resources at many of these problems, and they have not been solved. And we think that the reason why they haven't been solved is because a self-replicating model has not been created that recognizes that all of these things are not just interrelated, but they're interdependent. And a truly comprehensive solution, capable of solutioneering a world that works for everyone, should include all these areas together and build a complete living experience that is sustainable, radically sustainable. A living experience that's made easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrated as attractive enough that the experience of living within these environments is so attractive that the idea will spread on its own because it's also been made easy enough and affordable enough. And so one community is creating the plans for all of that. And this is our idea for solutioneering a world that works for everyone, is making all that open source and easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrate living in one community as attractive enough that people around the world will want to do that, and giving them a step-by-step plan of action and clear understanding of exactly how much it'll cost, exactly how many hours of labor it will take, exactly what the step-by-step process is, and making it DIY replicable so that people can invest primarily their time and energy and effort into creating it without breaking the bank. And showing that maximizing the richness over the riches of life can create a living experience that most people will consider to be far superior to the way that they're living right now, much more affordable, providing much more to do with their time, all within walking distance, within communities like this, and more free time to do those things. So this is our idea for creating a world that works for everyone and solutioneering all the steps necessary for this. And we think it's time to discover what humanity is possible. And we're removing all the barriers and the mystery and the confusion around that by creating the step-by-step instructions. And this is what we're all about. So it's about lifestyle design. It's about creating a uniquely meaningful life experience within these communities that people will be drawn to. It's about bringing together people's shared values and interests to, in our case, create world change and eco demonstration communities that can then demonstrate other values and interests. Maybe they're just communities focused on art, or maybe it's a community focused on producing something of value for humanity or some product or something like that. But it's about trailblazing a path to global change built on this foundation of radical sustainability. Solutioneering a world that works for everyone based on food, energy, housing, fulfilled living, education, economics, and stewardship models that are designed for the highest good of all people in life on this planet, and open sourcing and free sharing it so that everyone has access and can build and evolve these ideas to create a sustainable civilization. And so if this is interesting to you, if you'd like to get involved in something like this, visit our helping page. If this is interesting to you and you'd like to just support us, like and subscribe to this channel. Visit us on social media. We are in all the different social media networks to make it easy for you. If you would like to see exactly what our all-volunteer team has accomplished within the last week. A lot of people say, hey, you said it's a weekly progress update. Like, where's the progress? Yeah, that's not very interesting to talk about for 40 minutes. I mean, it would take a long time. We have a 200-person team working on this. So if you want to see what every member of our volunteer team has accomplished within the last week, visit our weekly progress update on the website. If you'd like to see all of our open source content, the results of hundreds of thousands of hours of research, visit our website and all the open source tools and resources and plans there. And yeah, if you'd like to see bullet points on the major components of our project or to support us through donations, we'll stick around for another couple minutes for the bullet points. Visit our website if you'd like to subscribe to our newsletter or if you'd like to donate to our project. And yeah, thanks for being a collaborator just by participating and watching this video and watching it to the end. And know that, of course, until next week, we will keep it on with our solutioneering, a world that works for everyone with all these different components, step-by-step, DIY instructions for a world that works for everyone. Thanks for following our progress.
The one community approach to highest good housing is eco-artistic home building that is affordable, sustainable, do-it-yourself duplicable, resource and space efficient, and consists of 7 different sustainably constructed village models. One Community is also creating an open-source duplicable city center. It is designed to be LEED Platinum certified, provide 12 guest rooms, dining for over 150 people, and laundry and recreation space for over 300 people, all while saving money, time, space, and resources. One Community's approach to highest good food is duplicable almost anywhere, scalable for different needs, more biodiverse and nutritious, part of forwarding a global open-source botanical garden collaborative, and includes 9 different free, shared, and duplicable growing environments. One Community's approach to highest good education is designed for all age groups, adaptable to any schooling environment, inspiring and fun for all participants, includes national standards, all subjects, lesson plans, teaching strategies, learning strategies and tools, classroom design, and more. The One Community approach to highest good society is globally focused, individually enriching, cooperative and collaborative, includes a highest good network and application, 4 different economic models, and combines fulfilled living and true earth stewardship for the benefit of all people and all life on this planet.